is Gabrielle Cantor. I am the program coordinator with the Maryland Association for Environmental and Outdoor Education, otherwise known as MAO. We are going to talk today about the Maryland Green Schools program, a little introduction. There will be some other videos that you can view online about the specifics of the application. So we're going to get started. The Maryland Green Schools program is a comprehensive, environmentally based awards program. Schools who are pre-K through 12, independent, and public can be awarded this awards program. It's a statewide program that was started in 1999. Recently, though, we've been talking a lot about environmental literacy. What does this mean? Students who are environmentally literate possess the knowledge, intellectual skills, attitudes, experience, and motivation to make and act upon responsible environmental decisions. So, the Maryland Green Schools program is very supportive of this environmental literacy movement. In schools in Maryland, it is required that students graduate environmentally literate. That can be found in COMAR 13A 0417. There's also been a push through the Chesapeake Bay Watershed Agreement about environmental literacy, stewardship, and community engagement. But how does this relate to the Maryland Green Schools program? The Maryland Green Schools program is very supportive of these actions. If you are a part of the Maryland Green Schools program, you're going to be doing environmentally based activities, and so you're going to be contributing to the environmental literacy of your students. Well, why would a school want to be certified? There are multiple reasons. You may be interested in the academic achievement that has been seen in Maryland Green Schools. For example, we have here Dr. Sarah Haynes, who did a study at Towson University about the success of the students in Maryland Green Schools. Schools that are Maryland Green Schools performed higher than they did before they became Maryland Green Schools. This has been seen across the board in multiple subjects as well as in multiple grade levels. There's also been some studies before that done about Maryland Green Schools compared to non-Maryland Green Schools, and it's been seen that the Maryland Green Schools have done better in different subjects. You can find more of these studies at our website, and they will tell you more about the academic achievement. We're also interested in interaction with nature. Schools who have students outside have seen to have higher health effects socially, emotionally, cognitively, and physically. Students are getting outside, they're running around, they're getting some energy out, they're able to breathe in some fresh air, and that has shown to help health-wise. There has been also a push for a 21st century workforce with students, green careers. So students who are in Maryland Green Schools are able to apply what they're learning to things that they might be interested in the workforce, green careers. The importance of environmental literacy and engagement, we've talked a little bit about that. Maryland Green Schools are supporting these movements. And then stewardship. Students who are outside planting might start to care a little bit more about their community. They may then also be able to apply that to other aspects of their community that may need more attention. So, some tangible reasons that you might be able to bring to your administration include statewide recognition. Schools are recognized. 485 schools right now in 2015 are Maryland Green Schools. That's about 20% of schools. So that's something that you can show. You have school distinction. The students become very proud of what they've done. They go out and they do activities. They are really excited about learning. And then they are very proud to be receiving this award. Their school has achieved something monumental. Marketing and public relations. This means that if you are talking to parents or community members, you can say, hey, our school has achieved a lot. We've done this. You can come and join us and that might be something that they are interested in. Operating cost savings. This is something that you might definitely appeal to people who are trying to save money. You lower energy and water and waste disposal bills if you have the students going out and they're turning off the lights, they are turning off the tap, and they're really excited about saving on some of these things. And lastly, you can connect to other state and county requirements, STEM, next generation science. These things are very integrated into environmental literacy in the Maryland Green Schools program. So quick stats flash, these are the different districts in Maryland, and they have the number of schools in their district who are Maryland Green Schools. This is just by the numbers, so that doesn't tell you how populous an area is. So for example, on this next slide, we have the different districts, and this is the percentage of their district that is a Maryland Green School. So I'll move out of the way a little bit here. For example, you may have less schools in a county like Garrett County that are actually green schools, but that's because that may not mean anything because they are almost 100% Maryland Green Schools. So that's just an intro. Here is the breakdown of the application itself. We have the curriculum and instruction. Schools are integrating their teaching into they're integrating their environmental curriculum into their teaching. You also show in your application that your students are going out, they're doing specific practices that are helping the environment. They're learning about that at the same time, but this is mostly about the actions. And then the school and community partnerships. What is the school doing to interact with partners in the community? If you're interested in these specifics and how you would fill those out, you can view some of our other videos. And also, you can see the application itself. So, thank you for your attention. If you'd like to contact us, you can talk to the executive director, the program coordinator. You can also check out our website. We have our videos, resources, and also the staff. You can see who you can talk to about the different things that we're doing. So, thank you very much.